Hi guys, it's Cass from Dermetel, and this week we're going to be talking about the basics on how skin cancer forms. We're told to wear sunscreen to keep to the shade and to stay away from tanning beds, all to avoid getting skin cancer. But do you really know what happens to your skin when it's exposed to high UV rays, or how skin cancer even forms? Now that question is pretty complicated and something scientists have been studying for decades, so let's break it down to just the basics. To understand how skin cancer forms, we first have to understand what the sun does to our skin when it's exposed and unprotected. Skin is the body's largest organ, and as the largest organ, it has a large responsibility. It protects our bones, organs, muscles, and tissues. Now there are two layers to our skin. The surface epidermis, which is the very top layers, and the dermis, the deeper layers. In the dermis, keratinocytes, the cells that produce keratin, are made. As they are made, they are pushed upwards to the epidermis, but have died by the time they reach the surface of our skin. While these cells are dead, they still perform the very important role of protecting and waterproofing all the layers underneath. And the dermis needs as much protection as it can get, as it houses both collagen, which helps provide resistance to damage, and elastin fibers, which allow skin to stretch and recoil. Now, ultraviolet radiation is a form of energy that comes from the sun. There are three main types of UV rays: UVA, UVB, and UVC. UVA rays age skin cells and damage their DNA and are the cause of some wrinkles, and are found in tanning beds. Uvb rays damage skin cells directly and cause most skin cancer cases, as they are slightly stronger than UVA. UVC rays aren't strong enough to even get through our atmosphere, so we don't have to worry about those. As UV radiation hits our skin, it attacks the collagen and elastin fibers we talked about earlier. It leads to skin sagging, wrinkling, and roughness. But it doesn't just affect the look and feel of our skin, it also increases the production of free oxygen radicals. These molecules attack skin cells permanently, damaging them and leading to premature aging. And yes, UV radiation is required to get our fix of vitamin D for the day, but just a few minutes outside will fix your quota. In between the epidermis and the dermis are cells called melanocytes. These cells, when exposed to the sun, produce a dark substance called melanin, which is what gives you a tan or dark skin. Now, let's figure out why skin cancer begins to form in the first place. Just like UV rays, there are also three main types of skin cancer: basal cell carcinoma, squamous cell carcinoma, and malignant melanoma. The first two types of skin cancer, basal cell and squamous cell, make up about 98% of skin cancer cases. They are tumors that form when keratinocytes have become damaged from the sun and therefore rapidly grow and divide. Understanding skin cancer and how it's caused is step one. The next step is to take preventative action. Skin cancer may be the most common cancer, but it's also the most preventable. And now check out some of our sun-safe tips this week. 1. Check your skin every month to make sure there's nothing new or if there's any changes. 2. Choose a broad spectrum sunscreen, meaning it protects against both UVA and UVB rays. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week. Make sure to stay sun safe.